Today, we Indians line up at different foreign universities to get admissions. We call USA and the UK the international capitals for higher education. But we forget the fact that we were the first to start teaching subjects like archaeology, mathematics, biology, astrology, etc. To find out more, do check out our 3 ancient scientists and their discoveries videos. Today, at Simply Curious, we are going to talk about the top 5 ancient universities in India. Before we get on with this list, we upload not less than 3 interesting, entertaining, and many a times enlightening videos a week. So do check out our channel, subscribe to it, and press the bell icon to get immediate notifications of our latest uploads. Number 5. Vikramashila University. Vikramashila University was established by Dharmapala of Pala dynasty during late 8th century and flourished for 400 years till the 12th century. It was located in the Bhagalpur district of modern-day Bihar. It gave direct competition to Nalanda University with over 100 teachers and over 1,000 students listed in this university. This university was well known for its specialized training in the subject of Tantra. One of the most popular graduates from this university was Atisha Dipankara, a founder of the Sharma traditions of Tibetan Buddhism, who also revived Buddhism in Tibet. Number 4. Vallabhi University. Vallabhi University was established in Saurashtra of modern-day Gujarat in around 6th century, and it flourished for 600 years till the 12th century. Chinese traveller It Sing, who visited this university during the 7th century, describes it as a great center of learning. Gunamati and Sthiramati, the 2 famous Buddhist scholars, are said to have graduated from this university. This university was popular for its training in secular subjects, and students from all over the country came to study here. Because of the high quality of education, graduates from this university were given higher executive posts. Number 3. Pushpagiri University. Pushpagiri University was established in ancient Kalinga, modern-day Odisha, and was spread across Cuttack and Jajpur districts. It was established in 3rd century and flourished for the next 800 years till 11th century. The university campus was spread across 3 adjoining hills: Lalitgiri, Ratnagiri and Udayagiri. This was one of the most prominent centers of higher education in ancient India, along with the universities of Takshashila, Nalanda and Vikramashila. The Chinese traveller Zhuang Zhang visited this university in 639 CE. Lalitgiri is said to have been commissioned by early 2nd century BCE itself and is one of the oldest Buddhist establishments in the world. Recently, a few images of Emperor Ashoka have been discovered here, and it has been said that the Pushpagiri University was established by Emperor Ashoka himself. Number 2. Nalanda University. Nalanda University was established by Shakraditya of Gupta dynasty in modern Bihar during the early 5th century, and it had a great run till the 12th century. It was the first university which had residential quarters for both students and teachers. It also had large public lecture halls. Students from countries like Korea, Japan, Tibet, Indonesia, Persia, and Turkey came to study in this university. Nalanda University was set on fire by the Turkish Muslim army in 1192. The world-famous Great Library of Nalanda University was destroyed, ransacked and burnt by the soldiers of the Khilji's army. And it is said that it was so vast that the manuscripts kept burning for 3 months. Innumerous ancient manuscripts were destroyed in the fire. Thousands of monks in the university were burnt alive and beheaded by the Khilji army. Number 1. Takshashila University. This is one of the world's oldest universities. It was established some 2,700 years ago in a place which is now called Takshila. It housed more than 10,000 students from across the world. They were able to specialize in more than 64 fields of study like grammar, Vedas, philosophy, Ayurveda, surgery, politics, commerce, astronomy, dance, etc. The famous students who studied in this university include Chanakya, Panini, Charaka, Vishnu Sharma, Jivaka, etc. The mentioned list is not a complete list of ancient Indian universities either. Dharmapala of Pala dynasty alone is said to have established 50 mega learning centers across his kingdom, and they have been as huge and as popular as the ones mentioned above. As you can see, many of these universities came to an end around the 12th century. The universities like Nalanda, Vikramshila, etc. were destroyed around this period during the Muslim invasion of India by the fanatic Bakhtiyar Khilji from Turkey in 1193 CE. The destruction of these centers of learning at Nalanda and other places across northern India was responsible for the demise of ancient Indian scientific thought in mathematics, astronomy, alchemy, and anatomy. We cannot bring back the past glory, but we can surely appreciate and understand the rich culture and background, and respect the tremendous knowledge powerhouse that India was.